All right, so in this video, I'm going to be solving this simple SAT mathematics problem. It says that what is the mean of the data? Of course, if you look at this problem, this is an ungrouped data. So the mean for an ungrouped data is given by x bar, which is equal to summation x over n, where x is the observation, where n is the number of observations. So n in this case, how many observations do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is equal to what? 5. Then summation x in this case is adding all of these together. So that will be what? 2 plus 9 plus 14 plus 23 plus what? 32. So if we add this 2 plus 9 plus 14 plus 23 plus 32 will give us what? 80. So therefore x bar, which is equal to what? Summation x over n, will now be equal to what? 80 over what? What is our n? That is 5. So x bar, which is mean, is 80 divided by 5. 80 divided by 5 is what? 16. So the correct option to this is option B, which is 16. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video to see more of this. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.